At 7:41 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time Monday, Environment Canada has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Alberta. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following localities: Airdrie, Crossfield, Calgary, Bottrel, and Cochrane. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a very dangerous thunderstorm capable of producing very strong wind gusts, up to baseball-size hail and heavy rain. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Intense lightning is likely, and tornadoes are possible with any thunderstorm that develops.